Hello everyone, my name is Devin, and this is my very first video for YouTube. Uh, just a quick little introduction on what I would like to post in my channel. I would like to kind of record a few different aspects of a project I'm working on. It's a role-playing game written in Visual Basic, and everything is going to be from scratch. And I want to give a huge shout out and a thank you to Aardaerimus. He has several uploads on how to code an RPG in Visual Basic, and he's kind of the pioneer for all of this, kind of the trailblazer. You know, he's doing this very same thing too and posting his progress on YouTube, and it seems it's just such a fun project to work on. You know, creating something from nothing, from the code to the sounds to the graphics to the storyline. You know, it's so cool, and it inspired me to make one of my own. And so, Aardaerimus, thank you very much, and I hope all of you watchers and listeners will kind of enjoy this series. So this right here, what we're looking at is LMMS. This is, you know, where all the audio and the songs and the sound effects and everything come together. And this song right here is an Overworld song that I've been working on. We have the melody here. We kind of got two different things. The second one here is an echo for my main melody. We have a harmony strings and a flute melody, drums, and you can see all that. Over here, my instruments, though, are what took a while to kind of pick. I don't have any sound fonts. These are all integrated instruments that you could find within the software, which is all free. So my main melody is played on a fantasy organ with some heaven strings for my harmony, and I found a really cool sounding reed for my flute, and then we got drum and bass here, and then just a few different sound effects. So let's go ahead and take a listen to it and see what you guys think. Here we go. And that just loops through that so well, I feel. And try to give it a soft sound. You don't want it to be too, you know, you don't want it to have hard sounds, as you know, you have a character walking around on a map of the whole world of the game that you're playing, you know, and it's that right there is just one melody that I'm working on. I would kind of like for the whole Overworld song to have maybe like two or three melodies total that it would loop through to, you know, give it enough change, so it sounds interesting. And so here's the project that this is all for. This is written again in Visual Basic. So let's go and run the debug. And the game is called Elysium. And here's the title screen here. We got the two main characters. His name is Darshan. We got Old Darshan and Young Darshan, and it's kind of what the story will be about. Just kind of a, a wolf's tale, as it says here in the title. It's just, inspired by the Canterbury Tales of Geoffrey Chaucer, great British literature author. So let's start up a new game here. We got the Overworld, and you just heard the music that I would like to add to it. I'm still learning how. I got some water here. It's not animated. So here's his house. And these maps are all created in Aardaerimus's Tiny Edit, which is some really cool software that he made through Visual Basic, where you just put all these tiles together and you make these really cool maps. So here's his basement. This portal is going to take me to the next nearest map, which is not the Overworld, but it's actually a castle. Here it is. And this castle is pretty fun to work on. I used to have more inside, but I took it out and saved the map, so it's kind of blank inside. I used to have a rug right here and some water on the back. We'll go upstairs, and this is the balcony of the second floor. You'll see another set of stairs over here. And this is the main second floor. I would like to make it a little bigger. Nothing's back there. And we'll go up here, another little tiny room, and this is the main portal room. This one takes me to the first balcony. This one over here takes me to the entrance. Wonderful. So this is Elysium. I'll pull up the debug. Pretty decent frames per second, I would say. This is all thanks to Visual Studio's XNA capabilities. These powerful drawing features. And so my focus screen is the world screen. I also have an inventory screen. None of these graphics are mine. It's a mix between Aardaerimus's and some that I found online. This True Mouse and Map Mouse stuff is something that is pretty fun to work on. And now that it's done, it's very useful for me to track my mouse pointer. But anyways, so yep, this is Elysium, and here's the graphics I've been working on for this game myself, all in GIMP. This is all freeware, so everything's for free. I'm a huge fan, and whenever I create software, I would like for it to be open as well, for anybody to use. And so here's just a basic palette. We got some grass and some dirt, a tree that I worked on, and a rock, some water. Now these are all my graphics. This right here is not, nor are these stairs. This castle, however, is. That was really fun to work on. All these tiles are 16 by 16. Here's my new Darshan. This is actually Young Darshan. I think I'm going to start out with Young Darshan first, and then, of course, as he gets older, make a new NPC for him. So these are the kind of tiles that I would be working with. I don't have any maps created with it yet. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys stay tuned. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, please. I am looking forward to giving you guys some updates on this project. It's really fun to work on. Everything's from scratch, so it's all inside, and that's the coolest part about this project. Alright guys, well again, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.